In this hands-on clinic, we're going to be talking about the Squirter calibration exercise. Before the Squirter DTI can go up in the steel, it must be calibrated. And the reason we do the Squirter calibration exercise is to show ironworkers and inspectors how much volume of squirt certifies a bolt as properly tensioned. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our 7/8 A325 bolt, put it in our Skidmore, add our Squirter DTI, our washer, and then our nut. For a 7/8 A325 bolt, minimum tension is 39,000 pounds. What we're going to do in this exercise is tension the bolt up to 45,000 pounds and see what the volume of silicone looks like at that load. So that's 45,000 pounds. Now we're going to do this 3 times, and after the 3rd time, we're going to cover the dial, and we're going to do it blind, just from the visual indication we get from the first 3 bolts. As you can see from these 3 different examples, the volume of silicone is similar, though each spec may be a little bit out of place. We're looking for the overall volume to be the same. Our 4th and final step is to reload our Skidmore, and this time we're actually going to be covering the dial. Since you won't have a dial up in the steel, we're just going to go on the visual squirt alone. I'm going to stop when I see the right amount of silicone. Now let's see how we did. So around 49,000 pounds of tension. We're well above our 39,000 pounds of minimum, and we now have a properly tensioned bolt. Now the inspector can come back through and check this DTI with the feeler gauge. Now what we're looking for in this case is at least half the gaps around the DTI being closed. So refusal means that the edge of the feeler gauge cannot touch the bolt shank. So 1 refusal there, 1 there, 1 there, another refusal there, and I have 1 opening. So this is more than halfway around. We got 4 out of 5 refusals. So this is a properly tensioned bolt.